With SmartDraw, you can build and edit any visual as a team in real time. Start with a live brainstorming session and organize ideas with team members. From there, you can plan and allocate tasks in real time. Turn that plan into a project chart instantly, and everyone can add further detail to tasks. Build visuals automatically from imported data, and team members can make edits simultaneously. Now the team can document the processes necessary to move the project forward. And work together to figure out shared objectives. Build a truly collaborative work environment, whether working remotely or in the office. From beginning to end of your project lifecycle, your team can visualize and work together using SmartDraw.